First position, bend, tuck, lift and roll. Open the arms for balance. Go ahead and bring that foot up in 1.5. And now I want you to go ahead and take your right hip and imagine there's a pen on your hip. You're going to lift up and drop down, drawing a circle on the wall or the mirror in front of you. Now notice your foot can come up on releve and then can flatten into the floor. Try that with me. Use your finger in the beginning if you're a visual learner. This will really help you to see the circle. Make sure your finger is pointing to the wall and not down. The circle is vertical. Once you feel comfortable with it, remove your finger, arms in second, and work that one hip circle. It's very precise, very deep. Good. Circle it in. Excellent. Keep it going. It's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Last time. And freeze. Now we are going to reverse it. Hand back on the hip. Now we're going to reverse the circle for an outward vertical circle, which would be clockwise on the wall or the mirror in front of you. So think about it clockwise. 9, 12, 3, 6. Again, once you feel comfortable, remove that hand. Really get into it. Don't be afraid to lean into it, to bend into it. Circle that hip vertically. Good. 5 and 6 and 7. One more time. And hold. Let's do 4 inward, 4 outward. Give me 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and reverse it. Out and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Last time. And release. Good. Rondation. Let's try it in the other position with the left hip. Excellent. Bending into it. If you need the hand, place it now. Give me inward circle. So this is clockwise. Inward. Good. Now you're going to be using all sorts of muscles in the abdomen cavity, even muscles in the back. If you visually can see it, it will help you smooth it out and work it a little better. Good. Up on the ball, flatten slightly. Good. Remove the hand when you feel ready. This is a very flowy movement, it's very precise. Good. One more time. And reverse it now. Now we will trace counterclockwise. Counterclockwise, reminding you that we are on the wall or the mirror, which is vertical. Good. Arm back out when you're ready. Excellent. Focus on that circle. Good. Imagine you're completing that circle with your hip. Good. Let's do a few more. 5 and 6. Hold it here. Let's do 4 in, 4 out. Let's try it. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7. Let's reverse out. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Last time. And release. Good. Take a deep breath. Let's put these movements into a combination. 1.5, tucked, lifted, and rolled. Give me 4 hip drops. 1, 2, 3, and hold. Inward circle, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 4 hip drops. 1, 2, 3. Now outward circle, 5 and 6, 7. Let's do that one more time. Give me 1, 2, 3, and inward, 5 and 6, 7. Again, and give me 1, 2, 3, and outward circle, 5 and 6. Let's try it a little faster. Give me 1, 2, 3. In, roll, and roll. Give me 1, 2, 3, and out, and out. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll, and roll, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Out, and out. Nice. Rondation. Other side. Starting slow. Give me 1, 2, 3, and hold. Bring it in and in. Let's repeat the the hip drop. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bring it out. 5 and 6, 7. One more time, slow. Give me drop, 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 circle in. 1 and 2. Good. Last time, hip drop. Give me 1, 2, 3, 4. Out and out. Let's speed it up to tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, in and in. 1, 2, 3, 4, out and out. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, in and in. Last time, 1, 2, 3, 4, out and out. Good. Shake it off and deep breath up. Shake it off. Nice. So we're isolating those hip circles vertically, and we added a little combination with it. Very good, girls.